Dear IELTS test takers, welcome to my channel. We are laying out all the tricks and tips that will help you to ace the IELTS speaking test like a pro. In today's tutorial, we are taking a look at jobs and careers. I quit my 80K finance job to clean offices and I'm happier. By the end of this video, you will know the exact 3 questions that will tell you whether you should quit too. Lulu, 28, hates her banking job and she posed the question, should I quit? A cleaner, a pilot, and a YouTuber on the grind. Take a look at the following satisfaction drivers. We've seen what Lulu hates about her present job. Now let's test if her dream job is actually better. But Lulu's real dream is to become a flight attendant. Does that score better? So far, we've only looked at pay and perks. Now, let's add the secret ingredient, that is job satisfaction. These jobs might have some hidden perks, but they fly under the radar because the perks don't fit a spreadsheet. Let's take 2 examples to make sense of this job satisfaction formula. A cleaner has low money, high autonomy, and therefore scores high in satisfaction. Meanwhile, a bank manager has high money, low autonomy, and scores low in satisfaction. Let's take 2 examples to make sense of this job satisfaction formula. Let's go headlong into our abstract discussion about jobs. What personal qualities does a person need to be a good for an organization or be self-employed. Why? What are the advantages of working from home rather than in the office? Dear viewers, after having gone through the Twitter data, sound off by leaving a comment. Next week, we are testing Lulu's dream job for real. She will shadow a flight attendant for 24 hours. Hit subscribe so you don't miss whether she will actually hand in her resignation. If you enjoyed watching this video, please watch this one next to follow a 60-year career map